Hi guys, today I have a neon tie-dye kit from #BU. And it includes really cool colors that are neon, like pink, fuchsia, turquoise, lime, and yellow. It dyes up to 12 projects, and it includes dyes, rubber bands, protective gloves, and a guide with 6 bottles of dye from the makers of Tulip, and I don't know what Tulip is. It says tie-dye kit on the back, and it just shows what you get. So you get 1 bottle of each and 20 rubber bands. They also had other colors, and I just found these to be like the most appealing to me. And I noticed in one of them they had a big bottle of blue, and in this it's turquoise, not blue, but it's really similar, or even a shade of blue if you want to say that. And it included a really big bottle of blue and just like 2 or 3 other colors, but this one has like 2 bottles of turquoise and then other colors. So I wonder why they include that the most. Maybe people use it a lot. Well, anyways, let's get this open. Oh, so there's not actually paint in here. You have to mix it with water, I guess. So these are the bottles, but they don't have any paint in them. Oh, they have powder in the bottom, and then you mix it with water. I was expecting them to have paint inside of them. Here's some gloves. You get this cardboard away. And this is like the project guide. So you have to set up a work surface with plastic trash bags and paper towels and stuff. So I will probably do this outside. And you should pre-wash fabric so it doesn't like... You should just pre-wash fabric. And it says that you should mix the dye. So you have to apply the dye within 72 hours after mixing. So it says dye left unapplied after 72 hours will begin to lose concentration. Okay, so you can also create new colors by blending dyes, which is cool, but the thing is, like, if you have some colors next to each other and they could mix without you wanting them to, so you should be careful about that. And it shows how you can make a swirl, a crumple, or a bullseye. So I'll come back later after I set everything up, and then here's a look at the bottles of paint. And these are just the gloves, so I don't know if I need to show them. I'll just show it anyway. Kind of weird gloves, but alright. Anyways, thanks for watching for now. And if you're wondering why there's henna on the hands, we decided to try it. And it looks pretty cool. I was thinking about making a video, but I'll make it like next time. Comment down below if you want to see that. And now let's continue twisting this shirt. So she decided to restart. It's better to restart now than end up with a bad shirt and do the whole thing again. It should kind of be like this. And then put rubber bands on it. So we have this now, but I don't really know if it's going to work. I just put 4 rubber bands on it for 4 colors. But if you want more colors, you can put more rubber bands. So I'll apply paint and then we'll see how it turns out. So make sure you put gloves on. I almost forgot to put my gloves on. Let me just get the cap off of this. It's a little bit messy. So I'll start with pink. They said it's better if your shirt is a little bit wet so it could absorb the colors, but my shirt is actually dry right now. So we'll see what happens. And I'm actually going to mix pink and blue to make purple, so I'm going to apply some pink here. I'll try not to apply too much because I want it to mix. Really hope this works. I'll get my blue now. So this is what I ended up with. We'll see if it works. Hopefully it does.